Dear friends and family, we are gathered here today to witness and celebrate the union of Amanda and Jeremiah. In the years that they have been together, their love for each other has grown, leading to this moment.
I, Jeremiah, promise to keep Amanda, my favorite person.
I, Amanda, promise to keep Jeremiah as my favorite person.
To love with her,
To love with her,
go on adventures with her,
go on adventures with her.
support him through life's tough moments,
Support him through life's tough moments.
be proud of her,
Be proud of her,
grow old with her,
grow old with her,
and find new reasons to love him every day.
And find new reasons to love him every day.
By the power now vested in me by the state of Texas, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
I'm just so happy for you. And Jeremiah, thank you, because it's just so nice to see who she's become. There's a lot of that, of you in that, and I'm just really grateful to you too. So thank you both very much, and for the honor of letting me be standing with you and walking life with you.
I could be happier for these two people that mean so much to so many of us, have found each other and have chosen to spend their lives together. May your lives be filled with as much happiness and adventure as you could possibly stand. Thank you.
Amanda, you are one lucky lady. I hope for you that Jeremiah does what he's done for me as a best friend. Over the last 6 years, he's filled in the holes, made things make sense, given me love, support, and lots of fun. I would like to ask for everyone to raise their glass to a lifetime of fun. An absolute blast for this happy couple.
I just want to say I love you both so much for sharing this moment with everyone. My motto in life is to always not only create memories for myself, but share those memories and create those memories with other people that you enjoy and inspire. Thank you both. Love
you. We wish them the very best and happiness the rest of their lives. And so a toast, I didn't bring my glass, but to Mr. and Mrs. Jeremiah Arocco.